Phonics Phase 2, Lesson 20, L sound.
Mom sat with Hamdan and Raania for their phonics lesson. Before we learn a new sound, Mom said, let's revise the sounds we already know. Mom showed the sound cards.
S, A, T, P, I, N, M, D, G, O, K, 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 A, A, R, B, F.
Hamdan and Raania happily said each sound together. Well done, Mom smiled. Are you ready to learn a new sound? Yes, the children replied excitedly. Mom showed them a picture of a lion. Lion begins with the
L sound.
she said. Then she showed them the sound card. Hamdan and Rania said together. Mom asked, can you think of another word that starts with the Rania said, leaf. Hamdan said, excellent. Mom said. Next, they practiced writing the air. Mom said, start at the top and draw one long straight line down. Hamdan and Rania traced in the air with their fingers. Then Mom brought the sand tray, and the children carefully wrote the sound in the sand. You both did a wonderful job today, Mom said proudly. Hamdan and Rania smiled, happy to learn another new sound together.
S, A, T, P, I, N, M, D, G, O, K, 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 A, A, R, B, F, L, leaves, log, lemon, lock, lamp, laugh, lion, leaf. Segmenting and blending. L-A-B, lab. L-A-D, lad. L-A-P, lap. L-I-P, lip. L-I-T, lit. L-A-T, lot. L-A-G, leg. L-A-G, log.